Hi, the video you're going to be seeing has a lot of little segments from many different days collected over time, so hope you enjoy it.
Enjoy.
Well, here we're back on Chamberlain Family Farms, and I'm Phil. And we got a couple of new little babies besides the other one. Cute. Pretty. Yeah. You got nice babies, Mama. Yeah.
Mama
And there's
goats.
the other one over there.
Yeah.
And the one was just born just a couple days ago before these two that looks like a 6 months older.
You pick it up and see if you can tell if it's a boy or a girl.
They don't weigh nothing. I know, Mom. Looks like a little boy.
Yeah.
Yep. Come here, baby. That little boy.
Okay, so boys. And then your little boy, he's been jumping all around.
This one's got a growth on it. See it?
Oh, it's an umbilical hernia, looks like, maybe.
Yeah.
Hopefully that'll go away.
Oh, it will. They normally do. Not always, but normally.
You're doing a good job.
Made. Get the paw up. Hey, now I want to get down.
Oh, he got down. That's the first time. He's like, I don't know if I want down. Dum Dum won't leave you alone. You needed the boys. Mama goats, leave me alone. Hey, you're at the wrong mom.
Oh, milk's milk.
Yeah. Dum Dum, quit nibbling. I'll get you your food here in a minute. Yeah. Well, spring's definitely sprung because we also got the baby chicks. Of course, we've got this incubator going, and you can see some of them are still pipping. Some have come out. I already put some under the lamp, but we're gonna be having baby chicks for a little while. Let's check out the other chicks. Here's some of the chicks that have already buzzed out. And I've introduced them over here. I moved them so that they wouldn't get stuck in the parts of the incubator over there. And this heat lamp here, it keeps them plenty warm here in the house. Well, we're having a bit of a work day on the farm. It's beautiful out this morning. Wyatt and Corbin have come over to help. Wyatt is cleaning out the goat pen. Probably not one of his favorite jobs, but it's a necessary job when you're going to have animals. This here is very important for gardens and flowers and things. It is a sort of fertilizer that is very, very healthy. It doesn't have chemicals. And we got a goat come out. Okay, Corbin's helping. He's gonna roll this spool over. Goats love to climb, so we're taking this over to the goat area. He's a pretty strong boy. He keeps up with his brother pretty well. Okay, yeah, can't fit through the gate, so take it over there.
Do it, you big mama.
Goats are climbing on that.
Already?
Yeah. Nope, the other way. The other way. Yeah, there you go. All right. We'll have to see if the goats like it, won't we? Now we have Wyatt doing a little mowing. And this one is just a little electric mower, but notice it's got the bagger on it right there. And we're using that on purpose right now out in the yard. So since it's early spring, the grass is growing faster in the yard than it is out in the pastures and different things. So we'll get that grass that he's collecting here and we'll give it to some of the different animals. Well, there's the man of the hour. And why are you sitting today when the boys are working?
I had surgery, or not surgery, but I had a procedure on my heart a couple days ago.
Okay, and you have some restrictions, right?
Yeah, got a little bit.
Yep. He's not supposed to lift anything past 2 pounds. He's not supposed to overdo it for like a week, 2 if necessary. So he's hanging out.
We're doing a good job.
Yep, I like the company. Okay, so this is what Wyatt got. And it's not going to hurt at all that it's got leaves and things in there because this batch we're giving to the chickens. Yeah, chickens will eat that and love it. Let's get this open. Go on in. Start shaking it out.
I want to try and split it out. So
They'll spread it out, trust me. You put it in a big pile, they love it. Oh, they're going after it all already. I think he scared them. There you go.
I got a whole leaf pile right now.
Yep, nice job. There goes Corbin. He's a working machine. There's Wyatt. He's still working. The Corbin's pulling a big branch that had fallen out of the trees, taking it over to put it on that big wood pile over there. So these are some good boys here. Got a lot of good grandkids that help out. Gonna get my herb garden going again here. My parsley, it never did die out through the winter. My leeks are still there. I had transferred some of my items, like that's sage, and that's marjoram, and that's oregano. And we're gonna try to get that going again. I did plant some new basil, and it looks like this is marjoram maybe coming up from last year. Not Brazil, basil. So, thank you, Clayton. Okay, it's time to start getting the big garden going. We had to work on this tractor a little bit this year. Normally we'd had this part done by now. But we pulled up the black weed barrier and we'd spread some more manure and things down through there. So now it's time to just get it tilled up. Our strawberries are coming up. Got the flowering part. This will be the 3rd year for them. Hopefully the best year. Putting down new weed barrier. There's Jen and her big helper there.
Say hi. Hi.
Finding out that the staples from year to year are getting pretty rusty. So, but we're reusing them while we can. No sense of buying new if you can use the old. This is where my granddaughter has been playing for probably the last hour, maybe hour and a half. She's just having fun there in that little bit of water down at the creek. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we are. Blakely, what are you doing, darling? Blakely,
What?
what are you doing?
Catching tadpoles.
Tadpoles?
I just catch one.
Oh. Let's take a quick look here.
Little baby tadpole is looking at me.
Yep, sure enough. You been finding anything else out down here?
Grandma, this is where I put all my tadpoles. I
Ah,
put up a little barrier.
okay, so you made a little pond of tadpoles, huh?
So much tadpoles. I have a tadpole for
Cool. Didn't you tell me you found some crawdads, crayfish, whatever you want to call them?
crawfish. I already catch like 100 of them already.
Have you? The little bitty ones?
Yeah, some of them are like big. Some
Ah,
of them are, yeah.
pretty cool.
I catch like almost all. And then the other day, yesterday, I found the mommy crawfish, but I could only see her tail. Now it's not there. So.
Well, I'd much rather see you doing this than stuck in the house playing on a tablet or something.
Like my sister.
Like your sister, yes. All right, well, have fun. Be careful. We hope you enjoyed the video at Chamberlain Family Farms. Like us and subscribe.